In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text box border in WPS Office. Text boxes are a handy tool when you want to highlight or separate text in your document, but sometimes the borders around them can look distracting or unnecessary. In this video, I will show you how to remove the outer border of a text box while keeping your text intact. I will also explain how to make the text box transparent or apply a fill color so you can fully customize the appearance of your document. To start, open your document and go to the Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, click on Text Box and draw a text box to the size you prefer. Once the text box is in place, enter the text you want inside it. After your text is added, you can proceed to remove the border. Click on the border of the text box to select it. You will know it is selected when the edges show gray circles. Once selected, right-click on the border and choose the Format Object option. This menu allows you to adjust various properties of the text box, including the outline and fill color. To remove the outer border, click on the Line option. Here, select No Line. Choosing No Line will remove the border completely while keeping the text box active in your document. You will notice that the text box itself remains, but the outline is no longer visible. At this point, the text box may still have a solid background fill. To make the text box transparent, click on the Shape Fill option and select No Color. This will remove the fill, leaving only the text visible. If you prefer, you can choose any color for the fill to make the text box stand out without showing a border. Additionally, if you want to add a border back or change it, the Shape Outline option allows you to select a color or click No Line to remove it completely. This gives you flexibility to customize the text box depending on your design needs, whether you want it fully transparent or partially highlighted. Using these steps, you can create clean, professional-looking documents with text boxes that have no borders or customized fill colors. This ensures that your text is highlighted or separated in the way you want without unnecessary lines cluttering your page. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.